Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Angular animations. Angular animations are a powerful tool for creating engaging user experiences by adding smooth and interactive animations to web applications developed with Angular. These animations can be applied to different elements like components, directives, and routes within an Angular application. For instance, when a user clicks a button, an animation can be triggered to smoothly transition the button to a different color, providing visual feedback. Additionally, when navigating between different routes in an application, animations can enhance the user experience by providing seamless transitions between pages, keeping users engaged, and improving overall usability. Angular animations involve key concepts such as triggers, states, transitions, and keyframes. Triggers initiate animations, states indicate different element configurations, transitions dictate state changes, and keyframes establish animation points. For instance, a button changing color when hovered over exemplifies triggers, hover event. States, normal and hovered, transitions, color change, and keyframes, initial and final colors. Angular animations are like choreographing a dance routine for a group of dancers. Just like in a dance routine, you define the keyframes and movements for elements on a web page using Angular animations. You can specify the timing, duration, and easing functions for each movement, just like coordinating different steps in a dance routine. The end result is a visually appealing and dynamic web page that engages users, much like a well-executed dance performance captivates an audience. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, w.atg.world. The provided Angular application showcases the implementation of animations to enhance user interaction. By following the steps outlined above, you can create a visually appealing animated card component that responds to user hover actions. The animated card component utilizes Angular's animation module to define animation triggers. The component's template, animated-card.component.html, contains a card element with a hover animation triggered by the hover animation trigger. The animation varies between a normal state and a hovered state, adjusting the card's scale for a subtle visual effect. In the component class, animated-card.component.ts, the animation states and transitions are defined within the animations array. The onAnimationStart and onAnimationDone methods log events to the console when the animation starts and finishes, respectively. The CSS styles in the animated-card.component.css file define the appearance of the card element and its content, setting the initial dimensions and background color. By including the app-animated-card component in the app.component.html file, you integrate the animated card component into the Angular application. Running ngserve launches the application locally, enabling you to experience the animation effects by hovering over the card on /localhost 4200. Real-world applications of Angular animations include creating interactive elements like buttons, menus, or form validations that respond to user input with engaging animations. Animations can improve user experience, provide visual feedback, and enhance the overall aesthetics of web applications. Additionally, animations can be used to display loading indicators, transition between views, or highlight important information dynamically. Explore Angular animations to add a touch of interactivity and polish to your projects. Angular animations provide a powerful tool for creating engaging user interfaces in a variety of industrial scenarios. Let's discuss two real-world applications of Angular animations. 1. E-commerce website product listings. On an e-commerce website, Angular animations can be used to enhance the user experience when browsing through product listings. For example, when a user hovers over a product card, animations can be applied to provide interactive feedback, such as scaling or fading effects. These animations can help draw the user's attention to specific products and create a more dynamic browsing experience, ultimately leading to increased user engagement and potentially higher conversion rates. 2. Dashboard data visualization. In a data dashboard application, Angular animations can be utilized to create visual cues for data changes or updates. For instance, when new data is loaded or updated in real time, animations can smoothly transition the changes on the dashboard, making it easier for users to track and understand the data modifications. By incorporating animations intelligently, such as color transitions or chart movements, the dashboard can convey information more effectively and make the user interaction more intuitive and engaging. Across the globe, businesses are leveraging Angular animations to enrich their web applications with captivating visual effects, improving user interactivity and overall user experience. By integrating animations thoughtfully into various aspects of their applications, companies can elevate their digital presence and differentiate themselves in a competitive market landscape. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.